Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel, Coffee Tea Paper. My name is Louise, and today I am bringing you some new goodies from our friends over at IeeBee. They, of course, make beautiful washi tapes and stickers and journaling papers and have some tools as well. Currently, they're showing at an exhibition, I think, in New York for stationery supplies, so that's really exciting for them. They always produce such lovely products. They're always packaged so nicely. And one thing I particularly think is very helpful, but also very clever, is that they always send out this washi tape inspiration book with any of their orders, and it's full of different ideas and suggestions on how to use their products. And I have done a flick through of this booklet before on my channel, but I'll just have a look at it here while I'm having a chat to you. There is an example of this one that we're going to have a look at today. And here they've used it to decorate some matchboxes and some like lolly boxes as well. So these would be really nice favors, like party favors, wedding favors, gifts as well. If you were gifting a candle or like incense or something like that, you could decorate just a normal matchbox with these tapes. So yeah, it's just a really nice addition that they put in with all their orders, and I think it's, yeah, it's cool. Here's the tape as well, and they've used that to decorate some pen pal mail, I think, maybe an invitation. But yeah, so today they've sent me some washi tapes as well as a couple of packets of stickers, and they have upgraded their boxes recently. So the first box of washi tape I received from them was just a slide out box, and then at some point they've really upgraded this packaging and they produce the most solid boxes with these ribbon holders in place. They always put in a little card with a sample of all the tapes on it. So you can, it's like a reference card, so you can see at a glance what each tape is like. They've also sent me some pet stickers. These are like a floral and botanical type theme stickers. So what I might do is I'm going to just grab one of my traveler's notebook inserts here. I will put this in a cover at some point, which might be a nice spot that if I do any more collaborations with IeeBee or any other stationery businesses, that I can pop it in here. So let's, I'll unwrap all the washi tape and we'll do a sample of them all across the page. They do come in this plastic, but you can actually reuse this plastic if you're sending pen pal letters or other things like that. You could wrap up any paper goodies in this plastic, so just in case your mail gets wet, it will keep it from ruining it. So yeah, these things, they're always handy to have. And we'll open up this other set as well. So by providing their washi tapes in these boxes, it keeps them dust free, which dust is really the enemy of washi tapes because they have still a little, I guess, edge to them, and if dust gets on this edge it can get under the tape, and yeah, it can ruin the adhesiveness. And these tapes do come with a very nice adhesive. It's not too strong, it's not too light on. Yeah, it's really good quality. I also like the fact that you don't get masses and masses and masses of tape on each roll, but this is more about variety than quantity in an individual design. So you still get a lot of tape, but just with a lot of variety, which is nice. These ones are a little bit fancier because they have some gilt on the design. And last but not least, out of the 16 tapes is this little skinny one, which looks pretty effective on the background. Just gives a nice border there. So we can see here the 16 tapes in the collection, and this is called Gold Vintage. So it's 16 rolls, each roll is 3 meters, and there's a variety of widths ranging from 1/2 centimeter through to 3 centimeters. And there's a really nice variation in these. They all have the gilt on each one, but these are kind of Moroccan inspired tiles, or even like Portuguese tiles, and this reminds me of waves, and this reminds me of my recent trip to Japan, to some of the decorations on the Shinto and Buddhist shrines. And yeah, then these nice sort of repeating patterns, and this one's a bit fun with the rainbow and more of these sort of tile type effects, and then this very simple, just same pattern, 2 colors in the border here. That's yeah, really nice. Adds a bit of an exotic touch to your travel journals or any other journals. But yeah, really, really lovely. And let's have a little look at the botanical stickers. These are sort of like dried flowers. Nice. Ginkgo leaves. Quite autumnal, this collection. Some interesting looking sticks with lichen on it. So the image themselves is matte, and then the background, this acorn, is shiny. Most of these sort of pet stickers have that same sort of finish, and one as the top of a pine cone. One tip I can give you for that is to actually just paint over the top with some Mod Podge matte finish. So what I'll do, I will put down, so let's put these 2 down. I'll stick these 2 down. Well, I'll open up the other pack and have a look as well. So you can see how shiny that is. And yeah, for a while there, I was quite reluctant to buy pet tapes and pet stickers that had that shiny finish on them, because I didn't like how it looked on my pages, and I didn't like how it photographed. And we'll have a look at this other packet they've sent me. So this is both from the same range, and I will of course show you where it is on their website. I do have a discount code as well, which it's such a generous discount code. I think it's the most generous discount code of any discount code, and it is 30% off your order. I will put my discount code not only in the description box, but I will put it on the bottom of the screen here because it's quite a complicated one with lots of letters and numbers. Maybe that's the trick. If you have to persevere with a very complicated discount code, you deserve to get the 30%. So these are really nice, soft greens and browns, and there's this yellow here. What are they? Are they like bobby buttons or something like that? Are they called? I don't know. So yeah, sort of a little bit, not quite autumn, but almost hinting. And then some of them are just sort of green. So these are ferns and other ones like that. So yeah, nice nice selection there. So once again, I'll try and find one that's one or two that has a bit more of that shiny. Here, I'll do this one. And I'll show you what I mean about using the Mod Podge matte finish to really get the most out of these beautiful stickers. Really nice for adding those botanical elements to your pages. So this is what I'm talking about, this Mod Podge matte. And it says it takes ages to dry. It really doesn't take long to dry at all because you're only doing a super thin layer. Start down here. So yeah, I will leave a link to the washi tapes as well as the stickers and show you where they are on their website as well. Maybe up in the corner while I'm painting this mattifier on. When I am finishing it up, just to kind of smooth it out in one direction, and that will dry very quickly. And I think this has really enhanced the colors on the stickers as well, probably because it takes off that glossy edge so you can actually see it more clearly even just with your eye. Really nice selection here. I like this one with the variegated leaves. And these are super nice to use as backgrounds. I quite like playing with scale sometimes, so you know, you could use some of your people stickers or other stickers and then put these in as backgrounds. And this is called their plant collection, and there's 40 stickers in each pack, and this is fallen leaves. And this one is from Dense Branches. And they have another pack in the collection called Wilted Rose. I'll take some close-up photos so you can see the washi tapes and their designs up close, and you can have a look at the stickers as well, particularly with that mattifying finish on it. It really makes them stunning, I think. Very nice to include in all sorts of spreads. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in journaling or ink swatching, please subscribe to my channel, as that is exactly the sort of content I create. Lots of journaling, ink swatching, stationery. I occasionally do some travel vlogging and travel journaling, all sorts of bits and pieces. So if that kind of sounds like you, I would love you to join me here. Bye!